Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lexi, and if you want to see more amazing recipe videos, you're in the right place, so don't forget to subscribe below. So today I'll be sharing 5 quick and easy smoothie recipes that are so refreshing and perfect for the summertime. I'm so excited to share these because I had so much fun recording, and also smoothies are usually my go-to snack or breakfast because I can actually put together any fruit or vegetable I have to create a nutritious and yummy meal. So if you're looking for a meal replacement or a refreshing start to your day, these recipes would be perfect. So what I really like about these recipes are that they are dairy-free, plant-based, and simple. So they're not only refreshing and delicious, but they're also easy on the digestive system and clean. I have no doubt that you guys will enjoy these smoothie recipes, so if you try them, leave a comment below and let me know which one is your favorite. Now let's get started with these recipes. hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you want more smoothie inspiration, follow me on Instagram at eatwell.withlex and check out my smoothie highlight for more recipes. Also, don't forget to comment below and let me know which recipe was your favorite. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. Bye. See y'all next time.